Imagine learning a new language, but instead of repeating printed flashcards, you have an AI-powered personal tutor that generates meaning, pronunciation, and sentences instantly, all from a single word. Today, we're building exactly that. A fully automated AI flashcard generator that reads a list of Hindi words from a CSV file, generates meanings, examples, transliterations, and presents them beautifully using Streamlit. Welcome to Clethera Vox. Whether you're learning Hindi, Spanish, Japanese, or creating flashcards for your school, work, or competitive exams, AI can now automate 90% of the learning process. This is one of the most practical, real-life uses of AI. A tool you can build in one evening and use for the rest of your life. Why AI flashcards? Flashcards are one of the oldest study techniques, but they take time to create. Finding the meaning, writing the pronunciation, translating, creating examples, formatting. AI eliminates all this manual work. You just give it a word and it creates accurate meaning, pronunciation, example sentence in Hindi, English version of the example, difficulty level. This means students can study faster, language learners get clear examples, professionals working with Indian clients can practice Hindi daily, teachers can generate hundreds of flashcards instantly, and you can build this system without being a programmer. Tools we will use. LM Studio, a desktop app to run AI models locally, meaning no API cost, no internet dependency, private and secure. Works with open source models like GPT-OSS 20B. We will use LM Studio as our LLM engine. Streamlit, the fastest way to build modern web apps with Python. No HTML or CSS needed. Everything reacts instantly. Perfect for dashboards, flashcards, quizzes. Looks beautiful by default. Works in any browser. It allows us to create flashcard front page, back page, buttons to flip and generate new card, smooth UI. Python and pandas. To read the CSV file with Hindi words. CSV contains 3 columns: difficulty, Hindi word, English transliteration. We simply select a random word from this CSV and send it to the AI model running in LM Studio. Building the flashcard generator. Install the tools. Download LM Studio. Load the model. Start the server. Copy the localhost API link. Load the CSV file. Here is a sample prompt to generate a simple CSV file of Hindi words. You can use it with any LLM like Gemini or ChatGPT. Choose a random word. Send the word to LM Studio. You can use any model running in LM Studio. Build the prompt. Describe your inputs and what you expect clearly. We are expecting a JSON with required fields like pronunciation, example sentence, etc. Display flashcard with Streamlit. Front, word, pronunciation, difficulty. Back, AI-generated meaning. Example, transliteration. Buttons to reveal meaning and flip back. Streamlit makes the UI instantly responsive. Here is a quick demo. You can run the Streamlit app by giving the following command. Click the Generate Random Flashcard button to get a random Hindi word. Tap to reveal the meaning and example. Advantages of using AI. AI helps you learn languages faster, automate study material, create custom difficulty levels, build personalized learning apps, use the same template to study any subject. You can turn this into a personal vocabulary builder, flashcard app for competitive exams, homework assistant, practice companion for any language, memory booster technique. This isn't just a coding project, it's a new way to learn. If you think AI is only for coding or automation, think again. Today, we built something that improves your daily life. Something that makes learning effortless. If you want more videos like this, subscribe. Because every week, we break down AI tools in a simple, friendly way. So you can actually use them, not just understand them. Stay curious, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.